Hey friends, working in the howtowrench.com shop here today, doing oil change on this Vulcan, and I wanted to bring up a point because this is one of those models that just has something that's a little different when you think of oil changes on a lot of different bikes. So this guy right here has 23,000 miles, and the customer just asked to do an oil change. Number one, the oil filter was just welded on way too tight, and I don't think it was a mileage issue, like it'd been on there for a long time. I think the last time it was done, it was just done way too tight. But typically, you know, we have a drain bolt like anything else we got right there, and the filter's on the back of the motor. No big deal. But what Kawasaki's have, especially on these Vulcans, is they have this cover right here. Okay, you see that hole in there? And what's underneath there is this guy. So this goes against the engine block, then you've got your spring, and then you've got this plug that's going to, you know, go sideways in there. But the reason I bring this up is this is something that, per the service manual, says to do like every other oil change, is to clean this pickup screen. And I really believe that most people don't even know what's in there. And I have seen where somebody has seen this bolt, and since it's on the side of the motor, especially if they're an amateur or a newbie and doing this on the kickstand, this looks like a great place to dump the oil. Okay, now what we want to do is dump the oil through the middle of the regular drain holder there like I showed you. And I think I don't think I've seen this happen where I've gone in to inspect this and it's been missing, because I think what happened, especially an older one where it was shorter, this guy, and I'm going off a little bit of memory here, whatnot, probably fell down in the pan. They didn't even know it, dumped it out and threw it away. Well, the reason this is so important is this is the screen before your oil pump. And can you see all the junk in here that I'm getting off there? So that is why we need to clean it. Wouldn't you bet, in 20,000 miles, this bike has no complaints, no oil pressure issues or anything. I want to bet it's never been done. I'd probably bet you'd agree with me on that. So I just wanted to show you this. I'm going to go ahead and blow this off, assemble it, get it back in there. The other thing to be careful of, you can see that groove right there. You saw the O-ring was ready to halfway fall off. It's stuck there. O-ring goes on like that. But anyway, I'm starting to try to add more product vehicles that are based on a certain line or whatnot. So there's your tip of the day from howtowrench.com. Head over to the website, give the video a like, feel free to make any donations if this saves you a bunch of trouble, and we'll talk to you again soon. Make it a great day and keep wrenching.